Uh, I am super happy to be here. Andarangi namaskaram. Hyderabad ante naku chala ishtam. Hyderabad has always given me so much love, and I'm so glad that I'm here with my big brother and all the beautiful people of this film. It's a very special film, and we couldn't celebrate it better than this. So thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you. So, which song are we going to hear today from you? We would love to hear a song from you from Toxic.
Oh yeah? तबाही नहीं थोड़ा तेज चिल्लाना पड़ेगा little louder तबाही we'll do तबाही let's go
Tabahi is like already the chartbuster, and we're going to
Thank
watch
you.
it in theaters on August 26th.
thank you
So, how did this idea of Tabahi happen? And we have also heard that the word was coined by Yash Garu.
everything is coined and co-coined by him actually Yash Bhai is my big brother. I want all of you to give him a huge round of applause here. He has given my thoughts wings, and honestly, he had so much clarity about the film, about the music of the film, and not just this song, whether it is Tabahi or any other song that you hear in the film. It's like he's the co-composer of the film, and I can do anything for him. So I'm here, and all you people, I want to thank all of you for coming like this. You are the most beautiful audience that we have had in such a long time. So you guys clap for yourself first. And I'm so happy to be a small part of this magnum opus Toxic, and I can't wait for people to see it.
Thank you so much, and we love
Thank
your
you.
songs from
Thank you.
RRR, which you have sung the Hindi version,
Yeah.
and also Pehle Bhi Main from Animal.
Everevero na keduraina nu kalisake modalainde emo em chestunnano with me evare Thank you guys, I love you too. Thank you so much.
మల్లారెడ్డి గారు అనుకుంటున్నారు దీని మీద ఎగ్జామ్ పెడితే 100 వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా వీళ్ళకి అసలు అని. ఒక్క లిరిక్ తప్పు పాడకుండా మొత్తం పాడేశారు అసలు.
But there's one name that I would want to take. Shastriji, Ram Jogya Shastriji has written such beautiful songs. There's another song called Enta Mayavi that is written so beautifully. And my brothers Ravi Basroor and Tanish Bakshi have done such a great job. Ravi Bhai is there, he's sitting there. I can see him. Ramjo sir is there. And Ramjo ji, why don't you sing one line of Enta Mayavi with me for these beautiful people? You want to hear one more song?
రామ్ జోగి శాస్త్రి గారు స్టేజ్ మీదకి వచ్చేసేయండి.
Ravi Bhai, please come. Please come. I will sing together. It's all right. We all one family. Come here. Come here. You guys have to clap for Ravi Basroor here, everybody. Come on.
And also రవి బస్రూర్ గారిని కూడా వేదిక మీదకి సాదరంగా ఆహ్వానించేస్తున్నాము. Once again to the lovely
And
lyric
you know,
writer.
Ravi Bhai has been kind enough to make me sing a song as well. That song called Aura Hits You. It's made by him and he's made me sing it. So thank you for that. Sir, sing. KGF, Ravi Bhai, I have to sing now. People are saying what to do. Are Okay, before Yash Bhai comes on, see Ravi Bhai, so I want to say Ravi Bhai has given it all. Tanishq has given it all, and I have tried a little bit. Now sing Waqt for them so that we can invite Yash Bhai. Come on, Ramji sir.
ఎంత మాయావి ఈ కాలం కాలం హలాలం అంతమే లేనిది దూరం దూరం నీలాంబరం కన్నంచున ప్రాణం నీకై నిరీక్షణం నువ్విచ్చిన గాయం కాల్చే అనుక్షణం. Thank you.
A huge round of applause for these people. And this film is for you. Yash Bhai and everybody on the film has given it their all. We have tried our best, and now it belongs to you. I think now is time that you should invite the boss.
యశ్ గారు
ఎస్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ రామ్ జోగి శాస్త్రి గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ విశాల్ మిశ్రా గారు.